So what we're going to do here is we're going to attach an in-game microphone to shoulder pads. So we have the microphone, and what I did is I went and I made a little pocket for it. We just used an old hockey sock, made a little pocket, just slide her in. And then we're going to stitch the pocket to the back of the shoulder pad. And I cut myself a little circular hole here because that's the power button. I'll just take a little needle, a little screwdriver, and turn that on when the player is about to step on the ice. So now we have the second part. We got to wrap the microphone up underneath the shoulders. That'll lay flat on his shoulder. Come up this way, underneath. And we're just going to bring it right here, like I said, underneath this chin. Make a couple tacks with my wax thread, but as you can see, it has nice, with the battery pack, the microphone cord, nice safe path of travel up, underneath, and to the front.
I'll warm them up for you guys.
Please welcome back number 9, S04E08.
This ceiling's gonna go up now.
And finally, the recipient of the 2014 Hart Memorial Trophy, the Art Ross Trophy, and Ted Lindsay Award. Please welcome back your captain, number 87, Sydney.
Fun, guys. There we go, boys, yeah? Yeah, I bet, thank you.
Another face-off win for the Penguins. Hornquist shoots it. Score! Patrick Hornquist!
Good play!
Look at that play by Mata, who looked one way and passed the other.
Yeah!
It's Crosby. Fires. Scores! Great speed, but all set up by Ole Mata. He looked left and passed up the middle of the ice.
Where's K-Man? Shot, Seth. Nice play. Johnny's a little nervous. Jimmy's a little nervous. Hold down. Yeah!
You talk about a quick start, and Pascal Dupuis, don't forget about me, he said in his first game back since that knee injury.
By the way, Dupuis?
Yeah.
Woo! Despite the quick starts, the Ducks battled back and tied the game at 3. But Pascal Dupuis was just getting started.
Need a push here. They're pushing back a bit, yeah?
Not a boy, not a boy.
It's a good shift here. I follow this one up here. Need a shift, you guys. Need a shift here.
Score, Pascal Dupuis.
No goal. No goal. They're going to wave it off.
Goaltender interference, I believe, as Gibson was down on his backside.
Really? What happened? You see it? You saw it? You don't want to tell me?
I have no idea.
He doesn't touch him. He doesn't even touch him. Ryan, he doesn't even touch him.
Why is my goalie on his back though?
Well, ask him. He doesn't touch him. Let's get the next one. That's it. Stay with it here.
Yes! Pascal Dupuis getting some power play time.
Yeah! Nice shot, baby.
That's a big pass.
The Penguins were off and running, and it was clear Pascal Dupuis hadn't lost a step.
Yeah! Good shot, babe.
Pascal Dupuis to Sutter, to the goal. Sutter scores! Dupuis, are you kidding me? He's got 4 points now.
Felt great, kind of emotional at the same time. You guys saw my reaction. It was a great feeling. Just coming back first game is it's pretty big.
Well, we got some things to work on that everybody does in game 1 of 82, but it's great to get a win. That's a top team we play. And we'll start to get better, we'll start to build, but I saw some real good signs out there. Congratulations. Now when we hit late October through November, it's tougher to practice for 50 minutes. You have to cut your practice time down to 30 minutes. We want to practice hard, we want to practice with intensity, but you can't have the length and the duration because of the volume of games. So as a coaching staff, we really have to monitor that. We'll take this end for the Ds, you take that end for the forwards. You got 4 minutes, right? High end reps, lots of reps.
I have 2 plays, that's all we're doing.
So forwards, the main thing you're working on is coming down, neutral zone, open up, get speed, evasive move at the line, take your shot, hang around the net for that second shot. I want Martin and Letang going together. Down there, Gino.
Nice, dude.
Okay, go! Right back, Paulie, right for the puck. Relay, quick, 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 quick. Right over. Move, move, move. When you're going back, check your shoulder when you're going back. Get in a good habit when you're going back. You're looking over your shoulder. Use some deception. Skate up, and then go forward. Skate up, hard back, forward, forward, quick, quick, quick. Right over, move it. Speed, speed. Come on, move, move, move. Get your feet moving. Down further, break, open up, speed, speed, speed. Quick, 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 move, 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 Chris, move, move. Quick, 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 quick. Hurry, tag, 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 tag. Come on, move, move, move. That's better, fast, 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 that's better. Speed. That's it, good job. Hard, 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 full out, full out, full out. Get the feet moving. Okay, last one, block, last one. Last one, all out. Hard, 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 hard. Okay, good work, that's it, that's it, that's it. You're done. Good job. Woo!
Yeah! Oh, that's a strong one.
He's the mayhem guy. You know, he's crazy out there. It just brings a different level of energy to the team.
You good, you good, you good? Sorry. Try to give it one. Oh my gosh, almost, buddy. Yeah! Yeah! Oh!
He's a fiery, competitive guy. Couple games over this last several weeks where we come out of the gate and we're just okay. And then Farnes gets on the ice and the shift tends to elevate our team just because of his energy and how hard he plays the game.
Get it on that. Boom. Boom, boom. It's going in. Ah!
Energy all out every single shift. You're going to get everything he's got. He's always trying to get the guys started, riled up, trying to keep the other team off their toes.
No, you, buddy.
Cloud and Farnham are thinking about it, and they're going to go.
Bobby Farnham for the third consecutive fight is going to be involved in a fight here. Cody McLeod and Bobby Farnham.
Play kind of in your face. You're always on the edge with a lot of speed and physicality. And I'm not afraid to say a lot of stuff to the opposing team on the ice.
Yeah, you think so? Nah, I'm not seeing the goal scoring minutes, I don't think. I didn't want to say no, you know? He's like, you're going to have to fight to stay in this league. I was like, oh yeah, you don't think I'm a goal scorer? Come on.
2:40 to go in the overtime. Left point pass to Scuderi. He's going to try and hit a stick, and he does. Morgan rebound, it comes in front. The Penguins score. Blake Como gets that puck in front, and the Penguins have won it in overtime.
Woo! What a boy, Combs. Nice job, buddy. Congrats, eh? Okay, Flower, great game, bud.
That was a great game for us. The feeling that we can just be patient in a 0-0 game
I thought was very, very good for us, because sometimes we get a little impatient, and with all the talent we have, we think we have to score 3 and 4 goals to win games. It's not the way it has to be. We didn't step outside of ourselves or outside of our structure, and eventually got the win playing the right way.
Here we go, boys! Skate, skate, skate!
Malkin able to turn around behind. Tuck to pass in front, win and score!
Nice play, Tino! Sit, sit!
Air off. Oh, and off the mask of Rask.
Skate empty! Help him!
For Krug, had to hurry one. Emmett got there, threw one in front that's blocked by Rask. Another try, scores! No goal! Goaltender interference.
He pushed him in.
Cheech touched it, front brushed away, shot, score! What a shot by Bergeron!
You go forward?
Yeah, I go forward.
Okay.
Brought back ahead now by Malkin and a drive. Score!
What a laser.
The shot rang off the pipe. And a shot. Score! The Bruins win in overtime.
Yeah, Cody, come on. Yeah, Bo. Going down. Go, go, go. Tiger! Keep it going! You heard me yell. That was my fault. I wanted to say it was coming for you. Hey, over! Yeah!
Paulie's pretty calculated in the way he thinks the game. He's always one play ahead.
You saw me, right? The reverse? Good play, yeah. You don't like when I yell?
Paul's just one of those guys that has great hockey sense. You can't really teach what he has. He's always in great position.
Oh boy. Yeah, yeah.
Paul compliments Chris really well. Chris compliments Paul really well. They're both huge for the success of our team.
Oh! I threw my hips to the center of the ice. And did you see it? I had my hand up like they teach you growing up. Yeah, Horny!
Hornquist, he scores! Patrick Hornquist!
Henry Horndock. Nice pass. There we go.
Back to Malkin. To Crosby. Redirect, and he scores. He thinks he's got it in. The referee didn't see the play. Crosby thought the puck was in.
Where do you go in, Horny? Close?
That's in.
It's in?
For sure.
Just depends if they see it or not?
Yeah, that's in for sure. Like, I see the whole puck is in the net.
Hail me, let you know.
It probably is a goal, but they can't see it. I'll say no. It's you on tape, huh?
Already said it was in. You can't see on the table.
Tell me that you love me.
Wes McCauley in deep conversation with Toronto. Buy, sell, no buy, sell.
Yeah, I think someone hung up on him. It's taking too long and had to call back. All right. Okay.
All right, Wes, give it to us.
After reviewing the play, the call on the ice stands. We have no goal.
Sid right away raised his hands.
He did.
And you know players like Sidney, their vision is incredible.
You know who knows whether it was in or not? And for sure is the goaltender.
Brian Elliott.
I can't believe Elliott found a way to hide that one. I knew that the puck was over the goal line because I could see the goal line clearly when I skated by the net. Sometimes you feel like you can't even buy one. Goalies, they know how to do it.
On to the right wing and Sutter. Back for Como to Sutter. Backhand shot. Score! That's conclusive.
Heavy! Nice shot. Good deception. That way, Combs. Way to bounce it around there.
The Blues are defeated tonight by the Penguins 4-2. Big road win here in St. Louis for Pittsburgh.
Take a look at that game against that team. That's the standard that's expected out of each guy, battle level. Played against one of the best battle teams in the league. Great job out there. We have to get out of here quick because of the back-to-back. Let's get out of here right away.
It's a hockey night in Pittsburgh. Tonight from Madison Square Garden in New York City, the National Hockey League presents the Stanley Cup Playoffs quarterfinal round, Eastern Conference, the Pittsburgh Penguins and the New York Rangers.
After dropping Game 1 in New York, the Penguins traveled to Madison Square Garden, looking to even the series. Forward Maxime Lapierre was ready for battle.
That's it, Tony! Right away, show them! Woo! Look at this guy! Tony, you're flying today. You don't look 42, huh? You don't look 42 right now.
He's on the board, buddy. You got a long ways to go.
You got 4? You didn't give me 1 hit yet. I got like 2. More is more solid than I thought. Boys, nobody turns in front of the hit. Hey, left, 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 left! How did that feel?
The Rangers again set up play into the Penguins in. A quick shot right side. That will be a goal by Derek Stepan. They snapped it in. The Rangers strike for the opening goal with 2:55 to go in period number 1.
Here we go. Let's manage the game. Let's be relaxed. Manage the game here. You gotta get it, Kreider! Finish! Hey, let's do it! No more compete! Come on, Satsi. Show them the power play. We need you, Satsi. Yeah! Yeah!
Brandon Sutter finishes, and the Penguins have tied this game at 1.
Is that my boy, Satsi? That's her. Wanna go? Wanna go? Let's go. Yeah, Lappy. Good job, boys. Are you good against him? Be aware of the push. They got nothing right now. They never win their draws against me. They might push it. Oh, Sid is on fire, boys. That's what happened when you get him pissed off. Oh, look at this guy go right now.
Doc and Eddie, Maxime Lapierre is just to my right. He's doing play-by-play to the New York Rangers bench, and he's saying, see how Crosby's dominating? You guys got him mad, and now he's dominating you.
I don't think that's the right game plan. He's pissed off now. He's coming.
Gunnarsson, you got a chance here. In front of Crosby. He shoots and scores.
Good speed, boys. Hey, what about we get excited? Woo! Hey, you want to go? Hey, Dom. You want to go? Dom, you want to go, bud? Hey, you want to go? Take your head off right away.
Sutter with a wraparound right save made. Rebound score.
Right, Cooney. Sid, what a game, buddy. Nice work. Let's work.
Unfortunately for the Penguins, it was the only game they'd win in the series. But a short-handed lineup wasn't short on effort, losing each game to the President's Trophy winners by only 1 goal.
Here we go, Sutsy. Here we go. Hey, Grandma Grace, hey? You know she's watching. Time, Scuds, time! You got him right up! Let's take your head up tonight! Hey! You got it! Wheelie and wheel! Reverse! Good stick! Yes! Right. Settle down, puck. I go low with it if you can. Sexy's low. Go, Lappy! Go at him! Get in!
Yeah! Shot by the Penguins, they scored. Hornquist puts it in with 6:48 to go. And the crowd is delirious, to say the least.
Yeah!
A shot off the boards, knocked in by the Rangers. The Pittsburgh Penguins invade the Garden in New York, and they must win tonight because they're down to that situation where it is elimination time.
You're trying to kind of move from one game to the next pretty quickly. You're going to try not to dwell on it, but then certainly would have liked to change things, have a couple plays back.
The net's knocked down in front, and it goes in. Boyle shot the puck. It might have been knocked down by Stepan.
Yeah, Blake! No, no, no!
Felt like when we get the first shot, there were always 3-4 guys around the net. They always come up with those loose pucks, so that's probably why we didn't score much.
Once you're losing, you're trying to think of any way you can to dig yourself out of the hole, and it's very difficult.
The way the last 2 games went, 2-0-2 games to end your season is tough, and losing close games is never easy, especially in the playoffs.
Over, hard! Come on, get in.
Loose puck. Smalling going to knock it in. Is it in? Yes, it is.
It's unfortunate the way that it ended, and obviously going home a little bit sooner than we expected.
Marty St. Louis leads it for Hagman. Carl Hagman, the series-winning goal.
I love Pittsburgh. This place has been amazing to me. I think we have a very dangerous team. This is a fun team to be a part of. Because of the high skill level, because of the talent, I see no reason why we can't continue to compete. Hopefully we can come back next year and be much better.
It's all about fun, right? You're playing the game, you're enjoying it, and it's not about what you say, but it's just to stay in the game and stay passionate. It's a great setup, great city, great group of guys. So we're gonna find a way to make it work.
I like everything about it. When I came on, it's just the fact that you want to be in playoffs every single year, and that's what it's all about. We could tell the city when we lost, everyone was really disappointed, and that we want to win as bad as anybody.
I would promise you guys we will be better next year.
I think everyone expected to go farther. Our goal was to win a Stanley Cup. Obviously fell short of that, but that doesn't change that same goal being in place for next year.
There is room for improvement for sure. Do we have the core pieces? From the goaltending to the defense to the forwards, we have the core pieces.
We win one time in Stanley Cup, me and Sid, and Flower. I believe we can do it again.
Hey, Dom, you wanna go? Dom. Dom, you want to go, bud? Hey, you want to go? Dummy. Dom. Hey, Dom.
My hands first, please, okay? My hands not out yet, okay?
Take your head off right away.